Jesse Stevens out here from Coyote Country today, and we were going out for a pleasant kayak fishing trip.
That's right, nice little breeze, Nebraska breeze.
It's blowing, well, gusts of 50, but it's blowing 35 to 45 miles an hour.
There's ducks hiding in the water.
Yeah. And our kayaks,
They're down there.
they're down there somewhere. We had to ditch them to get back. We did catch fish. What's that?
I said with this wind, you're not hearing a word on this, right?
Probably not. But it is, the kayaks are way down there at the other end of the lake. We lost them.
They're in dance.
We just jumped out of the shore. They're down there. But Jesse got his fish.